So, you are on activity 1A, where you are asked to copy and run the following program in Python, which is print hello world. So let's give that a try. So, this is Mew. We're going to delete this line of code, and we're going to write in print hello world. And making sure that you have the parenthesis or brackets at the end of each of the text and the apostrophes on either side. Then you click run. It's going to ask you to save it. You can save it in this folder called Mew, which is fine. I strongly recommend you save it in your network area folder. So I'm going to save it in Year 7 Computer Science Python. Give it a task, so task 1A. That's fine, save it on top of that. And there you have it. This is the program. And so what the print function does, it outputs whatever's inside the brackets.